Real talk. I've fallen for every money trap in existence. I've treated myself into overdraft fees, tried to look successful before I was successful, and somehow I'm paying $9.99 a month to store 30 selfies in the cloud. So today we're exposing the 7 traps that quietly keep you broke and exactly how to escape them. And before anyone says it, nope, the answer isn't stop drinking lattes. Trap number 1, the lifestyle creep. You get a raise, suddenly you're like, maybe my toaster deserves a friend. That's a lifestyle creep, where your income grows and your habits sprint to catch up. The fix? Pause before upgrading. Each time your income rises, split it. 70% to living, 20% to saving investing, 10% to guilt-free fun. Automate that transfer the same day your paycheck hits, so you never see extra money as spending money. Remember one rule: I only upgrade my lifestyle after I upgrade my assets. Write it and tape it near your workspace. You'll glow up slower but permanently. Trap number 2, subscription amnesia. Netflix, Spotify, Canva, 6 free trials that graduated into rent payments. Subscription creep drains hundreds a year, mostly because we forget they exist. The fix? Make Subscription Sunday by doing the following. Open your banking app, scroll 90 days of transactions, highlight anything recurring, cancel everything you haven't used in the past 30 days, move that total into savings immediately, and call it your forgotten fund. You'll feel like you got a tiny raise for doing nothing but clicking cancel. Trap number 3, emotional spending. We swipe when we're bored, sad, or celebrating. Same card, different mood. The fix? Install a 24-hour delay on every unplanned purchase. Add items to a cool-down cart or notes app instead of checkout. Revisit tomorrow. 90% of those needs won't feel important. And replace one impulse habit with a free dopamine hit. Walk, playlist, journaling, or whatever clears your head. The goal isn't no spending, it's intentional spending. Trap number 4, the one-account illusion. If your savings and spending live in the same account, congratulations, you don't have savings. You have temptation with a debit card. The fix: separate your money like exes. 1. Keep one checking account for bills and daily use. 2. Open a high-yield savings for short-term goals. Vacation emergency fund. 3. Open another account or brokerage for long-term goals. And 4. Name them: Freedom Fund, Rainy Day Glow Up. Whatever makes you proud to keep your hands off. Seeing progress in separate buckets rewires your brain faster than guilt ever could. Trap number 5, fake investing, guessing. Watching TikToks about investing is not investing. Buying whatever coin's trending, definitely not investing. Fix: go boring, open a Roth IRA or standard brokerage, Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Pick one, not all. Automate weekly or monthly buys into total market or S&P 500 index funds. Leave it alone. The less you touch it, the richer it grows. Here's a bonus tip. Learn 1 term per week, compound interest, ETF dividend, and actually Google it. Knowledge compounds too. Trap number 6, the someday syndrome. Someday I'll invest. Someday I'll get to budgeting. Someday I'll start on my business idea. Someday is code for never. Replace someday with the today 10. Pick one 10-minute financial task you can do right now. Open an account, list your debts, or set up auto savings. Schedule a repeating calendar reminder titled Future Me Check-In. Reward yourself after every micro task. Small wins keep momentum. Start embarrassingly small. The first $10 matters more than the next $10,000. And lastly, our trap number 7, the comparison drain. Comparing yourself online is the fastest way to feel broke. You might see someone's new Porsche, and many forget that these people might have a $2,000 payment behind it and hours to spend at the shop for a tire puncture. The fix? Compete with your numbers, not their narrative. Track your net worth growth every 3 months. Assets minus debts. Celebrate your percentage progress, even if it's tiny. Curate your feed. Follow creators who teach, not flaunt. Remember, peace of mind is a flex too. Let's recap. Design style. Control lifestyle creep. Audit subscriptions monthly. Delay emotional swipes. Separate your money buckets. Automate boring investing. Take 10-minute someday actions today. Compete only with your own growth. This is how regular people quietly build freedom, one smart system at a time. Escaping these traps isn't about being perfect, it's about being aware. The richest people I know aren't flashy, they're consistent. You're not behind, and hopefully this video helped you get that much closer to designing your wealth today. See you at my next episode where we will discuss how to start investing with just $100. Subscribe and stay comfy.